Hello, Abusiafo. And now we are talking about the most corrupt institutions, the notorious bribe takers institutions in Ghana. United Nations, the Office of Drug and Corruption. Omo report no about reveal the institutions in Ghana omudi kroninya omudi chrono citizens no enya woko yadye kitu ebi ani ajo bo kakra ene Canada you walk into passport office adia wo be waste wo hire wo time obi enju sika the price that you pay it's online and you know how much you're paying who di kroninya enye like say penny for the credit is no straight from the top no the government nakasa itself no why minister obabisia ba ko pesika fie good dem apena wo hu ya wo kan ye wedia na so dia konse busia for sorry apena wo change wa no aden which are the institutions institutions that are leading in this area of corruption and bribery taking. They list number 1 Land Commission Agency Ghana. It's under the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources. They were listed. They've been listed as the highest and the most notorious bribe takers in the country. Adeng. Obi consider kakra asase bakope yes wahin we yewu different wahin ba bejisika tin ye ju sika wo ahemfo de hono kwada enkope mu no na okoko ye indentures okoko sign we ya o sentoka ba hona sem okoko resolve that dispute na ya gio musika achocho rodo aden. Land Commissioner, the person who is leading this agency is Mr. James Ebenezer Kobna-Datsun. Mr. James Ebenezer Kobna-Datsun. He is the acting executive secretary leading this company, leading this institution. Aden nti won musa den. Se montimi nhwe adwuma ne ya monja nto won ankofo papa betumi abehwe mmembefa. Eda asem because there's no integrity left in anywhere. Aden, let's move on. Just say nyaka de kwad ni this no kwad airtime. Ni this so na a whole United Nations find the judiciary system. That's the prosecutors, the judges, and the magistrates. Hey, almost a second. Prosecutor, judge, magistrates. At the antenna, edumano area casino. Because it will be ohiani be cry yes, see ohiani be ba. Obi anyi ohiani ba na so child support near their day. Next year, they go court to cry now. Yes, you can say answer ye diwasim. No, what else can it be uncle by it? It won't mean yet. No, what one musa. Then until now, until now, ma me fimu. And now, omuna fena or masumu ayoma yikakayo small. The system has failed to represent its citizens, but yet you made it make instant gratification sika without even knowing what the person stands for. The person's rather Christ airtime. The judiciary system that is the forefront of a whole country. No, the law near a certain law no and no crano fairly. Ye bribe no what judge magistrate more bribe. Or so for ben or so for no bedrahin. On fight corruption. This is very, very sad. Judiciary system led by a female. Let's just say per man no more be dinner is omanya yam shishie already down these corrupt areas now. Omukwa de ombakra na omo say hey yes your boy yes was me ho na me fi so omo no kra baba gi adwa na omo kwa na giskada kese kwa de go mbutom enye fine mo ye ma tan na mo ye mo nhihye mo. This department is also led by Chief Justice Gertrude Araba Esaba Saki Tokono Aden Obapa Shena and Yemen CCE and Guasiese Poto in the Western world. A whole judiciary system is so corrupt. They take a bribe from individuals. Abrocha have not saying it's a bribe, but they take it from the bigger institutions. Not the bigger institutions who are making more money. Not one person, not any pankers and kitchen. Go down. That's what the prosecutors are doing. They're taking the kind of from individuals, not omunibino. Airtime. Mwa say judiciary eba second aden. First lands, second judiciary, and third nearby immigration for people say jakama unya sika na atu kwan ntia wutu kwan ya no mbe forma be hawa dwen ntia brochefo ya ne omo mutu kwan kokko awie yi nyume ko ekodi dwane ade ya na ja ani omo kokko luxury trips ya na omo home dwen. However, as a whole country, each and every individual needs a passport. In say individual ba be passport so ba gini sika kase ya ase ne saying. Let's move on to the next one. the next areas after immigration are the local government. The local government. They see any teacher. Okwa ajo kakra. Okwa ajo kakra. Teacher. Nefa you go see. Now we say you be do sika ansa ya maubano we say admission. Hey, you ready Christ. Next immigration for kwa the drum. So I'm surprised you am more ministers needing. And they are correct to pay immigration kwanya. Unkra 200 million. Unkra minister. You see him amount. He's a minister and you know bejo be 400. Now what teaching kakra dia mema immigration for so. Airtime na maden airtime na munja mu pesika dia akɔhin mu pesika dia akɔhin nyina yebewu aden local government so did ho okoye passport keto ase okoye we ase teaching kakra or call appointment I just say teaching no okomunikwa na ye nyame pata ye ntua ne ka be 6 months for the first 6 months no kwa no ye san gene bribe and san ye san gene and some put your papers and the applications and him akore ko nursing school ye je bribe aden how akore go pay school ye je bribe is got off for 30 million for 50 million for 100 million ka ho aden na nim guasie. The next one GRA for GRA custom officers of Ghana's Revenue Authority. Omo die titi no mu di sika di yo mu nye so poda. Let's move on. And then for passport officers and American master teachers, lecturers, professors crowd just crowd there airtime jin crowd sika ne yesan so e de omo fa edem so ka ho na buem ho no mo kra na omo san nyom kokko dawia omo san po emphasize marks no mo promise omo fema ni nyanya yakopon ho mo nyina. It's very, very sad. And then you see if you want to do here for so doctors and nurses doctor okoje bribe for them at the end I will swear to go and do look okoje bribe for them. That's not what Juma bribe, but Jen, you were Juma. Nurses, midwives. It's midwives. What you bribe? If you want to bribe now, you're ban on what I say. Because I want to bribe your time. Healthcare professionals. Yes, so what you bribe? How now what you bribe? And that's on you bribe. You nurse give me how funny to me. I just bribe for nurses. This is serious, eh? Hey, you're right there. And then DVLA, you know, drivers and vehicle licensing authorities. Oh Lord have mercy. And then, so I think that brings us to the end of it. It's a police if work around because the police don't want to do two cities. Corrupt. Now they divided these by regions, from regions to regions. Almost the OT region is the most highest bribery received areas in the whole of Ghana. Hey, and they have about 90-something%. 90. Let me see here. The upper east 83%, northeast 81%, upper west 80%, and some about Ashanti regional 70%. Now adding a day everywhere Ghana, a day everywhere still yepe impuntu. We will never progress with this kind of attitude any. Because you can get in the bottle. So in one city, and the bottle, and one city look for Makola bro. Never bro. So don't underestimate Sika Biara. Sika Kesi Biano can go towards the improvement of the country. Airtime. If you are enjoying this please make sure you subscribe to support. Thank you.